Ayan, magandang umaga po. Ngayon po ay narito po tayo sa bayan po ng Bayan Laguna, kung saan po matutunghayan po natin ang pagdating po at pag-uwi dito sa bayan ng Mayhay ng Poong Nazareno. Tara, pakita po sa inyo, panoorin po natin.
Taste and see the goodness of the Lord. I will bless the Lord of all times. His praise shall be ever in my mouth. Let my soul glory in the Lord. The lowly will hear me and be glad. Taste and see the goodness of the Lord. The Lord has eyes for the just and ears for their cry. The Lord confronts the evildoers to destroy remembrance of them from the earth. Taste and see the goodness of the Lord. When the just cry out, the Lord hears them, and from all their distress, He rescues them. The Lord is close to the broken-hearted, and those who are crushed in spirit He saves. Taste and see the goodness of the Lord. Many are the troubles of the just one, but out of them, O the Lord delivers him. He watches over all his bones, not one of them shall be broken. Taste and see the goodness of the Lord.
Cleansing her by the bath of water with the womb, that he might present to himself the church his splendor, without spot or wrinkle, or any such thing, that she might be holy and without blemish. So also, husbands should love their wives as their own bodies. He who loves his wife loves himself.
dyan, tatago ko. Kasi kasama ko sa udyungan dyan, tatago. Dito sa likod ko. Ayun, nangyari. Ay, naulan. Hindi daw ako naulan. Tatago daw siya eh. Nakikita daw siya. Katawa siya.
Katawan.
Hindi siya. Ay, kasama siya dapat doon. Nagpalis na, hindi pumunta. Okay.
Mamaya po.
Ah, sige.
Ako babasama.
Ay. Tama.
Sa kabilang side. Ayun. So may malaking payong na bibigyan.
Ini. Lakpan mo yan.
Dami yun. Dami na. Sa ulong pa.
Hindi siya kumain. Tapos